with the Walton home team of Keller Williams, just touching base on this fun season that we have ahead and possibly a fun decor things to take in mind. Well, if you're like us, it may have taken patience and tense negotiations, but you and the kids have finally emerged from behind those closed doors in full agreement that yes, indeed, one puny pumpkin is out of the question. It's not gonna cut it for this year, and this is time to put on your Halloween game. Rally up the fam, carve out some time in the neighborhood, chills, thrills to the next level for your decorating tips. Now, what does that look like? Maybe it's more pumpkins. Yes, that means you can never go wrong with the traditional orange, while also thinking outside of the patch by uploading some variety of different patterns, designs, and types of pumpkins as well. Specialty lighting is also a fun extra touch to break in your yard's vibe, so head home to the improvement store and grab some multicolored spotlights, some blue, greens, purples for a ghostly feel when you walk into your yard. You may even want to put on wireless speakers to a ghoulish good sound. Search your music streaming service to see what creepy playlists are available. Now don't forget, you can even fill your windows with creepy crawly silhouettes and search online for free downloads so you can have the kids cut and color and hang these in your windows. Your trick-or-treaters will spend the most time at your doorstep, so concentrate on the spookiest efforts there that are fun and also bring in the fall season. Use these tips to brew up some hair-raising Halloween magic. It's gonna be a good one, y'all.